That's a picture.
No, I'm recording. Have you ever seen an inside of a hornet's nest? Let's see if I find the queen.
Just let it go.
There's the queen.
Where?
She's right there. That flash. There it
There you
goes.
The queen is...
She's right in the middle. Right there. Not that one. There she is. There's the big head.
Mm-hmm.
She's right there.
Wow. There you go. Just let it keep going. Can you get a little bit closer up? Wow.
They're seeing us.
Hmm?
They're seeing us. One of them.
That's okay.
There's a queen to the left. Oh, by the way, this is on our windowsill.
Alpharetta, Georgia. May 16th, 2012.
Get close up with the larva.
Another one? Where?
That one right there.
Oh, yeah, there it is. So is it coming out?
That one's about to come out.
Mm-hmm.
He's moving.
Mm-hmm. Just keep it on there.
But the queen is active today.
Mm-hmm. Is it because they're hatching out?
Maybe.
Where is she?
She's up top. See her going up.
Oh, there she goes. No, that's not her. That's a...
She's right there. Wait. Is that her?
She's a lot bigger. There she is, right there.
Oh, yep.
She's huge.
There she is.
On the left.
Up top.
Yeah, she's right up here.
Oh.
Whoops, sorry.
Oh, they heard it.
Sorry. Is that one going to fall out now?
I don't think so. He's squirming though. But there's a lot of big ones in here. Look how big that one is.
I see.
Can there be two queens?
I don't think so.
Oh, that one's pretty big too.
Mm-hmm. Is she alive?
Yeah.
She's not moving? Yep, there she is. Mm-hmm.
But there she is right there. I think. I don't know. They're bigger than the last batch we had in here.
Did the other one fall yet?
No.
Oh, I see.
This one's moving.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Oh, there's two more right in there moving. The larvae.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see. So what happens to the ones that come out?
I don't know.
Can you, this one right here is moving.
Yeah.
Right there. This one right there is moving. And this one right here is moving. Oh, there it goes. There goes this one right here. Huh? It's coming out. Ooh, there it goes. It's coming out. Just, yeah. Can you get a little bit closer up on that
See,
one?
look, they're doing something to them. I don't know what they're doing.
I wonder what they're doing.
Trying to help them get out, I guess.
Is that her up here?
Yeah, that's her.
Right there?
Hold on. Let's try to focus. Hold on.
Wow. Is she laying more? I mean, is she...
I don't know.
See? Right there, there's another one coming out. Right there. Right there.
Mm-hmm. She might be.
Oh, get away.
She's doing something.
I think she might be laying some more, don't you think?
Because they're all around her.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to get that flash out. Try to get up in there. There you go.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
There she's on the right-hand corner. Up top.
Queen's right here. Right there's the queen.
I think she is laying more.
Mm-hmm. Oh, she is. Look. See, they're little yellow ones. And this one right here is fixing to come out. Right there.
Oh, yeah, he is.
And this one right here is fixing to come out.
Is that the one from before?
Hmm?
Yeah, it is.
Wow. Is it still filming?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's what she's doing right there. The queen is right here.
Mm-hmm.
And I think she's... Yeah, it's... Yep. Yep.
What, are these other ones alive?
Mm-mm.
These other eggs, or are they... Are they gone from the spray?
I don't know. But I can't tell what they're doing. Well, there she goes. See? There she goes. Maybe she would...
I want to see if I can get the call on this.
The what? Can you get at an angle to get up in there or not?
Yeah.
And how do you...
Hmm?
Wow. There you go. Can you get the... You can't get that spot off, can you? If you get close.
Do you want more?
Hmm.
You still want to record?